Hey, quick update on the Sigenergy system. Yes, mine says point guard. Sigenergy now. I parked the Rivian today at 8%. I plugged it in and just ran the rest of my afternoon. I plugged it in around noon. Actually, it was about 1 o'clock. It's now 7, just past 7. And so it was plugged in for sort of the later 6 hours of sunshine. Obviously, sun's setting now, and solar's not producing enough to continue charging the vehicle. So this is done for the day charging. We added enough energy to get up to 41% in this 92 kilowatt hour pack, which is really astonishing. So really an amazing system. I just charged with free energy. I think the record so far is I charged 60% in a day of my wife's Mustang Mach-E over there behind the bush. So yeah, when gas prices are over $6 a gallon and I get to charge with this thing for free, yes, I did purchase the system, but that pays off real fast when you're talking about charging 3 EVs plus. So we've got the Leaf, the Rivian, and the Mach-E, plus powering the house as well. Everything we need. So right now, the juice recording this is sunshine, right? In my phone, in my watch, everything, all the devices we have, the fridge, everything. And the house is just started pulling from the battery packs. So you can see that this line is all the way to the top. So it's still it's like 99.8%. But really super fun. If you have EVs, even if you don't, if you have EVs, you have to get a system like this. But even if you don't, this is running my home full time. I could only get by with, one of these batteries. And, I wouldn't need to pay a bill. So depending on your needs, depending on how much energy your home uses, you can get these stacks built, customized. They're just like Lego bricks. You can see the little lines here. So you can build your own system. And again, if you have EVs, you have to get this system. Fuel your EVs for free from your own panels on the roof. That's pretty amazing. So, yeah, really excited about that. Had to share it.